Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever looked at your electric vehicle and thought, there's gotta be more I can do myself? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of DIYEV repairs, unlocking the potential of your electric ride and saving some serious cash in the process. Now, I'll be upfront. While I pored over countless resources, I haven't found any specific, incredibly recent studies detailing DIYEV repair trends. Think of this as a compilation of generally accepted knowledge and common sense, seasoned with a healthy dose of caution and my own experiences. Let's face it, EV repair can feel intimidating. Those high-tech components, the intricate wiring harnesses, it's enough to make anyone reach for their phone and dial the dealership. But before you do, let's explore some simple repairs you can tackle yourself, boosting your confidence and your bank account. First off, safety first. This isn't like changing a tire on a gas-powered car. We're dealing with high voltage, and a single mistake can be unpleasant. Always disconnect the battery before starting any work. Seriously, disconnect it. I'm not kidding. Disconnect the battery. There are many videos available online illustrating the proper way to do this, and I highly recommend watching a few before attempting anything yourself. One of the most common DIY jobs? Replacing a blown fuse. EVs have fuses, just like any other vehicle, protecting various circuits. A blown fuse can manifest in anything from a dead headlight to a non-functioning infotainment system. Identifying the blown fuse is usually a simple matter of checking the fuse box, often located under the hood or in the passenger compartment, and replacing it with a fuse of the same amperage. Always double-check the amperage rating. Using the wrong one can lead to more problems than you started with. This is a super basic repair, but a really important one to learn. Another area where you can potentially save a bundle is with tire maintenance. Now, I'm not talking about changing a flat, though that's certainly doable, but rather regular tire pressure checks and rotations. Proper inflation is crucial for optimal performance and range, and neglecting it can lead to uneven wear and tear, ultimately shortening the life of your tires. Knowing how to rotate your tires, which is pretty similar across all vehicle types, can also significantly extend their lifespan. It's a small thing, but it adds up. Let's talk about cleaning. Keeping your EV clean isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protecting the car's components. The charging port, for instance, can accumulate dirt and debris, potentially interfering with charging. Regularly cleaning this area with a soft brush and compressed air can prevent any future charging complications. Think of it as preventative maintenance. A little effort now can save you significant headaches down the line. Now, before we get too carried away, let's acknowledge the limitations. Some repairs are best left to professionals. Anything involving high-voltage components, major electrical work, or complex mechanical issues, those are definitely jobs for trained technicians. Attempting these yourself without the proper knowledge and tools could be dangerous and potentially void any warranties. Remember, the goal here is empowerment, not recklessness. We're about building your confidence to tackle simple repairs, saving you time and money. But always know your limits. So, you learned a few basic DIY EV repairs, boosting your knowledge and potentially saving you money. But this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of EV maintenance and repair out there, and we'll be exploring more in future videos. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. It's like joining a community of fellow EV enthusiasts, all working together to unlock the full potential of our electric rides. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your tools, consult your owner's manual, and start exploring the world of DIY EV repairs. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way, and a well-maintained EV is a happy EV. Until next time, happy driving!